All right, we have this fall decor right here. It's kind of a weave cloth, or what do they call that? Potato cloth, potato bag texture. And it's got these leaves and wiry branches that you can twist however you like, and also LEDs that you can circle around the whole thing and turn on. So kind of looks like that when you've done all that. So the LEDs are subtle, but I think they do add a little bit of nice light flare to it. This is what it looks like when you first get it in the package. It's all wrapped up, and you'll have to style it how you like. So I'm not the best at styling these things. I just kind of pulled out the branches, and hopefully that's good enough. But it does have pumpkins on there too. Pumpkins usually grow on the ground, right? In a pumpkin patch, but these are on this little tree thing, which oddly fits. Has these different kinds of leaves as well. So a few different kinds of leaves on the same tree. Little berry type things, or maybe those are young pumpkins, I'm not sure. But seems like a nice little fall decor. Be great for like on a table, on a end table, or even a kitchen table as a centerpiece. A little bit of ribbon here at the bottom as well, tied in a bow. Looks nice, kind of brings it all together. So yeah, nice table fall decoration. I like it.